You are not going to believe this. Look at my HDMI cable. Hang on. Where is it? Can you guys see it? Oh, look. Yeah, there it is right there. Look at that. You have got to be fucking kidding me. I kid you not. And look, my TV still works. Oh my god, I just saw that. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I thought it was an insect on my wire, but the jacket fell off. I knew I heard a piece of plastic hit the floor. I knew it. I thought I was dreaming, but look, I was like, let me look in back my TV and look at my HDMI cable. So I can zoom in on there. Look at that. That's what's keeping me connected to the world. That's awesome.